How to fix Instagram can't message unless they follow you. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why Instagram does not allow you to send message. It all depends on the user's settings. So if the user or the individual has disabled message request, then you will not be able to send them the message. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, select the Messages and Story Replies option. You will then see the option for message request there. Tap on that and further go ahead and under the Who Can Send You Messages tab, select the Everyone option too. And with this, people you follow or have chatted with before can always send you messages unless you block them. And if you are trying to send someone the message and you're not being able to do so, then unfortunately there's no workaround. Your only option is to ask them to follow you or enable message request for non-followers by changing their settings. So, this is how you can fix Instagram can't send message unless they follow you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.